How to enable dark mode on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Complete Tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to enable dark mode on Instagram. To enable dark mode on Instagram, follow these steps. Open the Instagram on your mobile device. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, look for the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your screen and tap on them. A flyout window will appear. From here, select Setting and Privacy. In the Settings section, scroll down to find the Accessibility option and tap on it. Then, select the Dark Mode option. By default, Instagram's mode is synchronized with the phone system setting. This means that if your phone is in light mode, Instagram will be in light mode. And when your phone is in dark mode, Instagram will automatically switch to the dark mode. To always keep Instagram in dark mode, toggle the on option. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled Instagram dark mode. That's all. Don't forget to give a thumb up, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Your comments and input means a word for me, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts in comments below. I truly appreciate your engagement.